So I'm just getting out the shower and I am going to try my new, which way is it? I don't know if you can see, hairdryer brush. So I am sick to death of trying, well, not trying, when I get out the shower I've got to dry my hair, then I've got to straighten it, and I read that this makes your hair pretty much straight while drying it at the same time. So let's have a go. It's got 3 settings. So it's got your cool, I don't know if you can see there, it's got low and it's got high. I don't know how hot they are, I haven't even turned it on yet, so we'll start it off on low. We'll see how that goes. Whatever. Right, parting's in. Pull it forward a bit. Right, let's go. It actually works. So, wet side, dry side. We'll have a go quick on this one. Well impressed with that. Obviously I haven't done the whole bit, I just wanted to show you how it works. Yep, well chuffed.